How to fix voice chat not working in Roblox. So if you want to fix the voice chat not working in your Roblox, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser and then log into your Roblox. Once you've logged in, you need to go with settings, which is on the top right, and again click on settings. Now you need to go with your privacy. Under your privacy and content, you need to just go with your microphone and make sure that your microphone is turned on. Once you turn on your microphone, then you just need to simply go back, and here you need to right click on your sound. Just click on the sound option, or you can also go with the open sound settings. And here you need to go with input and select your microphone that you're using, and then make sure that your voice is 100. And after that, just go back and then open up your Roblox and make sure that you're under an experience. Here, you can just simply enter an experience. Once you're under your experience, what you need to do is just simply go with your Roblox icon, which is on the upper left, which will take you to the settings section. Here you need to just go with settings, and you need to scroll down and you will have an option of input devices. So just simply go with your input device, and once you go with your input device, then you will have an option to select the microphone option. So just simply go with the microphone under your input device. And the other thing you need to make sure is just simply go with the microphone option. You'll have the microphone option here on the bottom right. You just need to simply go with the microphone and then turn on the microphone until you have a green colored icon. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply right click on your Windows, and then you need to just go with the installed apps section. Once you're under the installed apps here, you need to search for Roblox and then go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then uninstall the Roblox application. Once you've uninstalled, you can again install it from your Microsoft Store or your browser, or you will have the Roblox launcher. You can just simply go with your launcher and then install it, and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your voice chat not working in your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.